I need to find a bar where the girls all like to dance, and the waitresses all make you think you've got at least half a chance. And the regulars are all CEOs and high-rolling billionaires that wanna take me under their wing, write me into their wills to be one of their heirs. Sure, she went and broke my heart, but man, as long as I have a place just like that, I can go. I think I'll be okay.
Okay, go. Keep going. 2, 3, go. And you look at where the baby is going. Keep riding. Good job. Good job. Keep riding, Mama. Don't stop. Keep riding. Good job. Come on. Keep riding. Take a corner. Take a corner. Come on. Take another corner. Be careful. Go straight. Keep going. My goodness. Can I sit in peace? Can I?
Make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. Feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't.
Sono belli?
Olha.
E chi
Aqui, ó.
è? Fine.
Ih.
Sei puri. This smoothie. Thank you. Thank you. French fries.
It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind, all the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white.
Ông ta đi qua luôn.
Let's pick an egg. You want egg?
Nó.
Eat eggs, Toto.
Nó.
Please.
Why?
Nó.
Eat na daddy. See me, I'm eating eggs.
Nó.
Eat eggs. Dia.
Chờ bạn.
Huh?
Anh chờ bạn.
Mana daddy?
She's enjoying the chips. I love you.
I need to find a bar that don't close at 3 a.m., where the jukebox only plays George Jones and the beer stays courtesan. Happy hour lasts from 4 p.m. until noon the next day, and the lunch special is 2 for $1s, but they're free if you don't pay. I need to find a bar